We've told these people several times, several months have gone, and years now, we are talking about years, have elapsed. These people did not want to leave until when they saw our machines here. That's when they started acting. You can see they're doing voluntary action. It is voluntary. There's no NEMA officer at that house, and there's no police officer at that house. Individual degraders are doing it themselves now. You can be imprisoned for up to 12 years. You can be asked to pay a fine of up to 600 million Uganda shillings. So now, to guard against this, it's better you just leave, you just move away. It is good that the president pardoned all the degraders and said, let those people live peacefully and go away. Do not penalize them, especially what people call the mwananchi, the muntu wa wansi. NEMA comes, asks you to leave, but we do not take you to the courts of law. But what happens when you are defiant, when you are stubborn, we definitely take you to the courts of law. And I've told you it is either up to 600 million Uganda shillings or up to 12 years in prison.